Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo.
Guys, kasalukuyang kaming umaangat dito sa matalip na ilipad.
Nakakas daw dito guys eh.
Grabe, nakakatakot pala dito guys. Ano pag naangat? Guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano na kami kataas.
Take yours and I'll take mine. On the right hand side I'll rest and you'll find that you take rest in one. So take these words and make them right, so one day you and I will write our names in the sky. We'll confide, and I'll find mine on the right of your side, and I'll find mine on the right of your side. If I throw away my fear and pride to set things right, then I'll find mine on the right of your side.
Still longing for your love. You woke me up in the middle of the night. I knew that something wasn't right, but I look in your eyes, so close but still so far away. You said we had a good run, but you're turning the page. I wanna throw all my time, look at separate ways.
Talon, dito, buelo ka. Una ulo. Sige. Bilis na. Pang-pamputang nila. Talon na. Dito ka na, bumaba ka na. Chog, talon na. Bumelo ka ha. Huwag ka sa bato, patay ka. Chog, talon na. Talon na dyan. Panis ka pala eh.
Uy, kasumisino ng buhay ko eh. Alam mo ba't ako naging ganito? Dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, boy.
Boy, dumating ka na sa akin.
Ang tagal mo, nauubos sa memory ko. Tingnan mo, nandun pa rin sa taas oh. Pakutang-putang nila. Wala pa lang, tara na. Iwan na natin yung hype yan. Malalaglag pa yung kat... Ginakata. Chog. Gusto ko yung kita eh. Lubog na. Lubog. Ay, yun pala yun. Taka. Okay.
Open road, we're free now. Windows down, let the breeze flow. Endless miles to carry us. Nothing ahead, just sky and dust. Sunset paints the horizon. Shadows grow as day is gone. Stars will soon be our guide. In this car, you by my side. Rolling on to the sound of our hearts beating loud. Every twist, every turn. In this ride, we endlessly burn. Darkness falls, but we feel light. Together we chase the night. Time stands still, just you and me on this endless journey free. Morning breaks with golden hues, eyes awake to find new views. World keeps turning round and round, but in this moment we are unbound. Rolling on to the sound of our hearts beating loud. Every twist, every turn. In this ride, we endlessly burn.
May nahuli kami oh. Aray ko. Pusa. Pamaga, wala pa.
Tusok ako. Kaiba to.
Kakaiba isa to ah. Ngayon ko lang nakita to ah.
Kaya nagulat ako. Naano ko, nakawil ako, visit.
Sugat ka na naman. Kami nahuli tayo.
Bunggo, may nahuli ko. Ay, nagulat ako.
Mga ating balik yan. Alagaan na lang natin.
Guys, may nahuli.
Buhay pa yan, guys. Kakaiba.
Gumalaw ka. Parang hindi ka totoo
mapapaya
eh.
ako eh. May nahuli ko sa'yo. Oo.
Ay, gumagalaw.
Nabuhol na yung ano ko, guys.
Loko. One down.
Ayan, pasok.
Batig-batig Johnny, no?
Di ba ano to?
Lang ka eh.
Ay, dito umano din, no? Dito tumukod
Sa pagila ko ata.
Walang kawala eh. Tara,
Parang sinaksak sa pagkuha ko sa kanya eh.
Tingnan mo yung ngala-ngala niya, oh. Tusok yung ngala-ngala
Andun
niya.
natusok.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. Sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away.
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 눈동자.
Busog ka sa balita at gimmit na hatid ng unang hirit at CDO Chinese Style Lunch and Mate. Sa Chinese sarap, tunay ang saya.